Hello students. Next example. Determine the public key Sn if p equal to 79, q equal to 89 and t equal to 119. Given p equal to 79, q equal to 89 and t equal to 119. We have n equal to p minus 1, q minus 1 and m equal to p into q. So m equal to p into q is 79 into 89 equal to 7031. N equal to p minus 1 into q minus 1 is 79 minus 1 into 89 minus 1 equal to 78 into 88, which is equal to 6864. We know that t and n are relatively prime. We know that t and n are relatively prime. Therefore, we find multiplicative inverse. Therefore, we find multiplicative inverse of t modulo n. Tn equal to t is 119 and n is 6864. Now apply division algorithm on t and n. So 6864 equal to 119 into 57 plus 81. 119 equal to 81 into 1 plus 38. 81 equal to 38 into 2 plus 5. 38 equal to 5 into 7 plus 3. 5 equal to 3 into 1 plus 2. 3 equal to 2 into 1 plus 1. 2 equal to 1 into 2 plus 0. So GCD of 1196864 equal to 1. Here 1 can be written as 1 equal to 3 minus 2 into 1. 1 equal to 3 minus 2 into 1. 3 minus 2 is 5 minus 3 into 1 into 1. We get 3 minus 5 into 1 minus minus plus 3 into 1 equal to, take 3 common, we get 3 into 2 minus 5 into 1. Now put value of 3, we get 38 minus 5 into 7 into 2 minus 5 into 1 equal to 38 into 2 minus 5 into 14 minus 5 into 1, which is equal to 38 into 2 minus 5, take common, we get into 15, which is equal to 38 into 2 minus 5 is 81 minus 38 into 2 into 15, which is equal to 38 into 2 minus 81 into 15 minus minus plus 38 into 2 into 15 is 30 equal to, take 38 common, we get 38 into 32 minus 81 into 15. Now put value of 38, value of 38 is 119 minus 81 into 1 into 32 as it is minus 81 into 15 equal to 119 into 32 minus 81 into 32 minus 81 into 15 equal to 119 into 32 minus 81, take common, remaining term is 32 plus 15, which is equal to 47 equal to, now put value of 81, 119 into 32 as it is minus 81 is 6864 minus 119 into 57 into 47 equal to 119 into 32 minus 6864 into 47 minus minus plus 119 into 57 into 47 is 2679. Now take 119 common, remaining term is 32 plus 2679. We get 2711 minus 6864 into 47. So 1 equal to 119 into 2711 minus 6864 into 47. Therefore, S equal to 2711 because given T is 119 and T into something, nothing but the T into S. T is 119 into S. S is 2711. So, here we find N equal to 6864 and S equal to 2711. Therefore, we get S equal to 2711 and N equal to 6864. First, given PQT. Next, calculate N equal to P minus 1 into Q minus 1 and M equal to P into Q. We get M equal to 7031, N equal to 6864. Next, we know that T and N are relatively prime, means GCD of T N equal to 1. Now, we find multiplicative inverse of T modulo N, where T equal to 119 and N equal to 6864. Apply division algorithm on 6864 and 119. We get 6864 equal to 119 into 57 plus 81. Continuing in this way, we get 3 equal to 2 into 1 plus 1. Now, write 1 as 1 equal to 3 minus 2 into 1. Next, put value of 2, 5 minus 3 into 1. Next, put value of 3 is 38 minus 5 into 7. Continuing in this way, we get value of 5, 38, 81. After that, we get 1 equal to 119 into 2711 minus 6864 into 47. Here, T equal to 119 means T into something is nothing but the T into S. Comparing 119 into 2711 equal to T into N. T equal to 119. So, sorry, not N, S. T into S. T equal to 119. So, S equal to 2711. Therefore, we get S equal to 2711 and N equal to 6864. Here we stop. Also, here chapter number 4 is completed.